Goat meat, vegetable sauce.
I never see this kind of one. Say that they put goat meat.
Never.
Goat.
I'm trying to eat this.
You want to eat this too?
So daddy is going to eat the goats.
Hello farms, join me, let's make this yummy vegetable goat meat sauce that my husband requested. You know, he recently came from Nigeria and brought back a lot of foodstuffs including dried goat meat. So today he requested I use the dried goat meat to make him a very delicious vegetable sauce. Because he's trying to watch his weight. And so my dear, that was how I went into the fridge, brought out all the vegetables. We have broccoli, carrot, tomatoes, and the rest you will see in this video. So at this point, I have already blanched the broccoli and trying to cool it off with the cold water so it can still be vibrant enough while I'll be using it. So now is to season the broccoli up. I added dry paprika, salt, and coconut oil, mixed everything together. At this point, the potato I chopped earlier had already fried and I had to scoop it out and then went in with the broccoli to stir fry a little bit. Oh my goodness, I never wanted the broccoli to be this soft. I wanted it crunchy, but anyway, I will manage it like this. So at this point, I had to go in with a little coconut oil, then chopped garlic, stirred everything together, then went in with the onion, stir. That is chopped scotch bonnet pepper, and then my carrots. So you can see everything is being put together. They are coming out gradually. So here comes the already chopped tomatoes. I stirred everything together, covered it up, and allowed it to cook for like 10 minutes. And yeah,
Goat meat inside
then this is it. The goat meat.
What love of goat meat cannot do does not exist. What did they call this recipe?
Goat meat salad.
I was actually laughing because this is my first time of making this type of meal. Well, let's continue cooking. Then I've added paprika, coriander powder, curry powder, and seasoning powder to ensure that everything, incorporate into the goat meat. I also added salt, and now is our fried potato back into the pan. So I stirred everything together before I went in with this capsicum. At this point, everywhere was already scenting, inviting. And at this time, I could hear my husband's voice from afar. He was already warming up. Oh, food is ready! Yeah! So I garnished it up with a parsley leaf. And that is it, guys.
What about where are you going to? Maybe you know what we cannot, this food what you requested.
Goat meat.
What they call goat meat, vegetable sauce.
Fantastic.
Goat
meat, vegetable sauce.
I never see this kind of one. Say that they put goat meat.
Never.
Goat.
I'm trying to eat this.
You want to eat this too? It's for daddy.
Are you trying to monitor your weight?
Me?
No.
Maybe this one pass weight too.
This one I wait till
Maybe this one pass weight.
1,000 calories everything.
All of us they lose weight. Me, I won't lose weight.
What I selected.
I'm going to belong like a snake.
It's goat
What I
meat.
selected is about
Goat meat.
No, that's too much.
All these people went there around. Map for them.
Put it on there also I can measure my quantity.
Okay. So is this one okay for you?
Maybe too much actually.
Oh yeah, eat remain for.
That may be more than
Two.
1,000 calories for the night.
Okay. to avoid we finishing this food, I think I should just package your own first. Let them eat from the pot. What do you think?
My wife, my potential.
You don't talk about them, but they want the potential the wife. What you God do the reality of the wife? What is the potential the person will give?
They put somebody.
Baby, how many plates do you want it to be?
Eat wetin?
If your eye gauge to gauge that one. Huh? How many times would you want to eat it?
Black, white.
My brother me like soda ants. You don't tell me I see soda
Jesus,
ants.
I'll get
What is
some
soda ants?
to eat.
Jesus gave us food to eat.
Yes.
Is it ants that is a soldier?
Yes, so the soldier of the Lord.
Oh, I thought it was like a type of ants, like soda ants. It's a type of ants
I
that.
better talk small. If you don't like it, plenty, what did you have? Is it okay?
Take some from this and put it. That plate, the plate is
I
very
made some rubber bands on my
it's lacking there. Put one. No, that plate in particular.
And put
First
some
one.
white.
It's lacking something.
It's not enough. The volume is low.
Flour.
Hungry me based on say,
All of us will rush this
So
thing.
the
Baby, the meat is not complete.
okay, take
This one
one.
dirty.
Take one.
This one dirty.
So daddy is going to eat the goats. My God.
Let's go and eat.
See it now. It does not lack anything. No. This is balanced diet. Before you come and tell me that I'm losing
This is
selenium.
loaded, no. It's highly caloric.
Which one? What am I eating?
Of course.
I'm doing it now so that you not come and say I'm lacking
You know,
nutrients.
so I prefer me keep this plantain.
Come and put it on the plate.
No, so
What
we
about
we
it?
go.
Seaweed.
Let's just come downstairs.
No, I come down now.
Okay, come downstairs.
I'm gonna bring that
But
for you.
Leave it.
Mommy said,
Where are you reaching now?
This plantain, not big plantain. Don't talk to me. Wait, no.
I'm going to use this.
Mommy braces of fook. What's the focus until I change all my.
Stop! I want to sit down here.
Don't worry. I don't want this to cause me an issue.
Why do I want to
Don't worry. I'm going to give you your
what she's
own.
doing? She's just putting her leg across the whole place.
Shit a bit. 2 minutes.
That's my spoon.
Yeah, using hand. I don't know your spoon. Why are you blocking us now?
Right.
This way, you have to come in between them. Well, yeah, it's nobody should touch this bottle.
That's carrots. Before you look at it like a.
What's that? Action!
Wait, I've not yet brought my spoon. Two of you are using spoons.
Where's the spoon?
Ah.
What's that?
Don't do that again. You don't jump for the bottle. You want
Sand.
more?
Or the sandy normal.
Is it pepperish? My belly don't push it. Use your hand. You're looking for spoon.
Use your hand.
Use your hand.
Where's my food? Why are you still recording?
You don't see your phone.